In this first independent practice problem, we're asked to graph each equation using a 0 and the y-intercept. So let's just think of this as the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay. It's not that this is wrong, it's just this is maybe easier to understand. So this is going to be like the example 1 problem that we did, where we're finding the x and y-intercept by setting x equal to 0 to find the y-intercept, and setting y equals to 0 to find the x-intercept. Once we find those 2 points, we can graph those 2 points. All we need is 2 points to draw a line. So in here we would say, so if I set x equal to 0 in this equation, I would have negative 3 times 0 minus a 6y equals 12. This becomes 0, so I have negative 6y equals 12, and y equals negative 2. Why? Because negative 6 times negative 2 equals 12. So 1 point, this would be my y-intercept, where the line crosses or intersects the y-axis at 0, negative 2. Setting y equal to 0 to find the x-intercept, I would have negative 3x minus 6 times 0 equals 12. This all goes away. Negative 3x equals a positive 12. So here x will equal negative 4, because negative 3 times negative 4 is a positive 12. So my x-intercept is negative 4, 0. I'm going to go ahead and draw these lines. Let's create our coordinate grid first. So I have x and y. I'm going to plot the 2 points. I have negative 4, 0 as my x-intercept, and 0, negative 2 as my y-intercept. And once I have those 2 points, I can connect. And there is my line. So I have now graphed the equation using the x and y intercepts. For the problems where you're asked to write the equation in standard form using integers, so this is the form ax plus by equals c, and all they're saying is a, b, and c need to be integers, so those are not fractions. So I need to have x and y on the same side. Right now I have x on one side, y on the other. So I'm going to subtract x from both sides. So I'll have a negative x plus a positive y equals a negative 4. And like we did for example 2, I can't leave a negative coefficient in front of the x. So I'm going to need to multiply both sides by negative 1. As long as I do it to both sides, it's balanced and equal. Distribute that negative 1, and basically writing the opposite of each term. So I'll have a positive x minus a y equals negative 4 times negative 1 is a positive 4. So this is now written in standard form.